This is the most exciting portion of the event. We are moving into the fast pitch. It will be 2 minutes each, only 2 minutes. I will call companies off stage. If by the end of the day, if I'm not going at less than 30 seconds per transition, we failed. So our first company is joining us all the way from Greece. Please welcome Tolis from EYELEAD.
Hello, I'm Tolis, I'm the CEO of EYELEAD, and we have a 3D platform, and we want to enable game developers make 3D social games. The 3D market is an amazing market. We have console games, we have MMO games, we have casual games, but we want to focus on the social gaming market. Why? Because it's a rapidly emerging, growing market, amazing market, and this market has the opportunity to go 3D. But 3D is a great pain for developers, especially for the small teams and the individuals. Because 3D is kind of complex to make, it's expensive, you need many tools, you need the infrastructure to acquire, and of course it could take years to make a 3D game. But what if we could offer to the developers a tool which is a collaborative engine and allows them to work all together in a game while the game is running over the network? The artist working together with the art director to make a game live. Two artists work together on a game over the network in order to collaborate, to team up and make the game faster, better and cheaper. What value this will bring to the developers? What if we could offer a game and an engine that allows those people to bring their games and applications to the web? So everything they do goes on a web browser. And everything they do is out of the box connected to the social networks, such as Facebook. This means we can bring real 3D games in the web and in social networks. This is exactly what we want to do with EYELEAD. We have a 3D platform, a state-of-the-art ready product. We're going to give it to the developers for free and share their revenue. So we allow them to make better games, faster and cheaper. Thank you very much.
Please welcome Flavio. Flavio is joining us all the way from Brazil. Is it yes? Brazil.
Where?
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Flavio Pripas. I'm from Brazil. I am here with a group of entrepreneurs from Brazil, so please come and meet us. And I am the founder of byMk. It's a fashion social network there in Brazil. The clicker is not working. Okay. It's a fashion social network where you can share, recommend, buy, and even buy products. But what the users do there in the fashion social network, they put together outfits. They put together outfits with products that they get from many brands in the internet. And from these outfits, the fashion discussion begins. What happens is that users can express their style and discuss about what is more beautiful and what they should buy next day that they come to shopping. Some numbers about byMk is that we have there in Brazil more than 600,000 users, unique users per month, with $0 in user acquisition to date. With more than 1 million products, we have created more than 1 million outfits. Users have created more than 1 million outfits. And they spend on average 30 minutes on site, but the interesting thing is that our heaviest 2,000 users, they spend on average 7 hours per day on our site, which is something awesome. With more than 6,000 blogs that use our outfits to illustrate posts. And we have been profitable, as we are there in Brazil, since January. Today, our business model is based on ads, sponsor contests, special projects, and also interactive projects. But I'm here to make an announcement. We are launching a Facebook application in English next Monday that you will be able to use all the features that are very engaging there in Brazil, here in the United States. And something that we are building for the future is something that we call the Fashion Social Commerce Marketplace, which will be unique in our market, and that's why we are here. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Flavio. Next up, we have Asif. Asif is it's a Danish company originally, but located locally. So please, Asif.
Hello, everyone. You look great. But what's wrong with this picture? In this picture, maybe if you have run a race or something, you know that after page 50 and you have not found your photo, it's time to move on. And what it means is photographers, anybody has to manually identify and match when you have photos online. It means loss of sales. It's cost photographers up to $25,000. I should know a photographer who pays people in India that much to just enter in bib numbers. And of course, it offers no privacy. Enter Snapizzi. We have a unique and patent-pending method to add meta take to photos so it can be uniquely identified and found. It's a patent-pending method. It's automatic identification. Now you can find photos easily, and it offers privacy. We've picked first few verticals to try it out, and right now it's a school vertical, sports, and in event location photography. And that $8.2 billion US industry and our customer base actually reflects all these three verticals today. So now what's wrong with that picture? That's actually the picture of professional photography businesses today. I've actually been kind and simplified it, but it's actually quite complex. And if you had your kid's photo taken at school photography, dealt with manual order forms and all that, that's how it goes. It's antiquated, manual workflow, paper order forms, and it's limited choice. And it costs photographers 30 to 40% of revenue if you're a business owner. Now enter Snapizzi's automated SaaS platform. It's an end-to-end business workflow solution. It levels the playing field because it takes out all the operational inefficiency of a photography business, and it offers increased profitability. And we have all that running today. So since we did a market launch in February 2010, our customers are reporting, who are photographers, a 20 to 40% increase in profitability since they've switched to Snapizzi. We have a 30 to 40% growth in revenue month to month. We have sold our first international franchise. It's more like a sales and distribution partner exclusively covering Sweden, and they're already generating revenue. And we have now had unsolicited approach for acquisition of the company. We're looking 4.5 in Series A, and 900K will put us to profitability. Thank you very much. That's
Thank you so much. Thank you, Asif. Next up, we have TapMap. Philip is here, I believe from Ireland, yes?
Yes, that's right.
Fantastic. Give away TapMap.
Hi, everyone. My name is Philip McNamara. I'm the CEO of TapMap, and we make it incredibly easy for retailers to publish all of their local inventory on mobile devices. What that means for you as a consumer, if you're looking for, let's say, a Samsung TV or a Samsung mobile phone, we can help you find it in your local store without having to go online. Basically, we've got live customers right now. We're working with groceries, working with health food, alcohol chains, pharmacy chains, GameStop. We've got a 250,000 live local searchable products right now. Why are they giving us their data? Because they want their products to be found. They're competing aggressively against the online retailers. They're competing against the large chains as well. This is putting them on a level playing field. We make our money from monthly fees. We've got a great analytics platform that we can help retailers to forecast trends. So here, for example, we've got a map of Ireland, and you can see a heat map where scans are occurring right now. So people are using services like Red Laser, like Shop Savvy. We partner with these companies, and so we capture the latitude and longitude of all these scans. Then for a retailer here, this is an alcohol retailer in Ireland. This is their top product that's being searched for right now is Jack Daniels for some reason. And you can see the demand is occurring on Friday evenings at 7 o'clock. So this is really interesting. So we're looking for about a 2.4 million Series A round. We want to increase our sales team. It's all about a land grab right now. What Google are saying in the next 2 to 3 years, there'll be more queries coming from mobile devices than there will be from fixed devices. And the grocery market in the US is worth about $500 billion, 98% of which is done in local stores. So people are searching locally, and they want to find locally, and they're going to be using their mobile devices to do so. And TapMap helps retailers to figure out where demand is occurring in real time. Using those maps, they can actually zoom in to their competitors' stores to see where demand is occurring right now. And we need your help to do that in the US. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Philip. Next up, we have Tim from Userful. Tim is one of our Canadian contingent. Please welcome Tim.
Hi there, thank you. So my name is Tim Griffin. I'm president and founder of Userful. Userful is connecting the world through sustainable desktop computers. So Userful is a software solution that allows you to turn one computer into 10 and manage all your Linux desktops through a web service. So that could be tablets, netbooks, or desktop computers. What we do is we're the leading solution for large-scale virtual desktop deployments. How it works is you take a low-cost USB device, be it from HP, Wyze, or N Computing, plug it into a single computer, and install our software and sign up for the web service. We're the leading solution for large-scale virtual desktop deployments. We hold the world record for the largest virtual desktop deployment, which is 350,000 seats into the Ministry of Education in Brazil. This gives you a perspective on the size of opportunity there is for emerging markets. And the exciting part about our story is that of the world's desktop computers, there's 75% are in the BRIC countries. So of the next billion computers coming online, 75% are in the BRIC countries. So Userful is a capital-efficient company. We've been bootstrapped to date. We've had 85% year-over-year growth for the past 4 years, and this most recent year at 7.6 million in revenue. We have a 75% share of that market, of the Linux global multi-seat desktop market, and 700,000 seats deployed. We have a proven ability to win these large global deals, and we're seeking $5 to $8 million in revenue. There's an emerging opportunity here that's huge in magnitude, which is for the managed Linux desktop. And today it's about large international deployments. Tomorrow it's about fleets of tablet computers and managed interactive displays. Thank you.
Tim, thank you. Next up, we have Pascal joining us from France, one of the French Tech Tour awardees for this year. Pascal with LyaTiss.
Hi everybody, I'm Pascal, CEO of LyaTiss, and I created this company to develop and sell next generation of infrastructure as a service solution combining network virtualization with IT resource virtualization. As you know today, there are a lot of requirements in terms of IT infrastructure, complex, dynamic, flexible, multi-sites, and can you imagine the puzzle it is for the infrastructure provider to meet these expectations? I can tell you it's quite complex. So it's why we decided to simplify the life of these provider, hosters, telcos, or enterprises, and helping them to reduce dramatically their OPEX by their OPEX and increasing their revenue. Do you know how we proceed? We just embed brains of a range of PhD in a box that we directly plug in the infrastructure of the customers. And the software in this box is in charge of the management and the orchestration of the virtual infrastructure all along their life cycle. This solution has been deployed in France and has been chosen by the Gazos Consortium, founded by the European Commission, to explore a holistic vision for the future Internet. So LyaTiss is co-founded by the INRIA, the National Institute for Computer Science in France, where I used to be research director, and we have some money from institutions and VCs there, and we plan to develop our business in US, and that's why I'm here today. Thanks for your attention.
Thank you.